Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the video session of Cantor Publisher. Students, today we will learn Mathematics 8, Chapter 3, Lecture number 10. For this purpose, you must have these three books: textbook for grade 8, summer pack and resource pack. We will use main content from the textbook and the relevant content from the summer pack, but the resource pack is the guidance for your parents and teachers. There is complete methodology given in it, that how to teach you through activities and real life examples. Students, now come to the book, unit number 3, number systems. We have done topic 3.1 about number system. In this topic, we have discussed about 4 types of number systems: decimal number system, binary number system with base 5, and then octal number system. After that, we have started topic 3.2, conversions. Students, now come to the today's topic. Our today's topic is conversion part 8. Part 8 means this is our 8th lecture from this topic. We will discuss only one SLO. SLO means student learning outcomes, subtraction of numbers with base 5. Subtraction of numbers with base 5 is similar to the subtraction of numbers with base 2 and numbers with base 10 are decimal number system. Students, now come to the page number 41 of your textbook, subtraction. In the number system with base 5, subtraction works in the same way as it works in the decimal number system. You know, we use only 5 numbers in the base 5 number system. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot write number 5 in the base 5 number system. In decimal number system, we use numbers from 0, 1, 0 to 9, including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Like that, we use 0 to 4 in base 5. Now look at the example number 11. Evaluate the following: 1 0 with base 5 and 4 with base 5. 1 0 with base 5 minus 4 with base 5. First of all, write these numbers in vertical form as we have done in addition. 10 minus 4. Subtract the first column. 0 minus 4. We cannot subtract 4 from 0 because 0 is less than 4. Now we need to borrow from the second column. What we have to borrow? The base number we need to borrow, that is 5. In base 10 number system, we borrow the base number, that is 10. Here we will borrow the base number 5. When we borrow 5 from second column, the numbers in first column becomes 5 plus 0, that is equal to 5. Now 5 is greater than 4. We can subtract 4 from 5. In second column, we will subtract 1 from 1, that will be equal to 0. We write 0 on superscript of 1. Under the first column, we write 1 because 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So our answer is 1 with base 5. We don't write 0 on the left side of 1 because 0 means nothing. Similarly, we can complete other questions. Look at another example, that is 3, 4, 1 with base 5 minus 2, 3 and 4 with base 5. We will use the same procedure. Write these numbers in vertical form. 3, 4, 1 with base 5 minus 3, 4, 1 minus 2, 3, 4. Now subtract. Perform subtraction in first column. Here 1 is less than 4, so we cannot subtract from 4 from 1. So we need to borrow from the second column. Check the numbers given in the second column. These are 4 and 3. The lower number is less than 4. So we can borrow 1 to the first column, and in first column 1 will become 5. That is the base number. So base number plus the first number in the first column, that will be equal to 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Now subtract 4 from 6. You will have number 2, that is in base 5. So we can write 2 under the first column, and then 1 less 4, that is equal to 3. We can subtract 3 from 3 in the second column. 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So 0 also can be written in base 5 number system. Now perform subtraction in third column. 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So we have 1, 0, 2 with base 5. This is your answer. Students, now come to the exercise. Exercise 3E. Look at the statement of question number 2. You need to understand the statement first and then complete the questions. Evaluate the following. Solve these questions on your notebook and then send your notebook to your teacher for checking. You need to complete these questions at your home. Part 1. Here 32, 32 with base 5. First of all, you will have to write these numbers in vertical form and then write second number 1, 2 with base 5. This is very simple. 2 minus 2 is 0. We can subtract numbers in the first column easily. No need to borrow from the second column because 2 and 2 are equals and 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, and 0 comes in the base 5 number system. So now perform subtraction on second column. 1 is less than 3, so we can subtract 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So we have 2, 0 with base 5. Similarly, solve other parts of this question on your notebook and send the notebook to your teacher for checking. Students, now come to the summer pack, page number 41. Question number 2. Solve the following. Part 1. Again, write the given numbers in vertical form and then complete these solutions on your summer pack and send the summer pack to your teacher for checking. Write first number 1, 1, 4, 2, 2 with base 5 and then how many numbers? 3. 0, 3, 3 and then 3. You have 3, 3, 3, 0 with base 5. Subtract. Perform subtraction on first column. 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. Now perform subtraction on second column. 2 minus 3, we cannot subtract 3 from 2 because 2 is less than 3. So we need to borrow from the third column. We will borrow number 5 and add the first number given in the column 2, second column. So 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. We can subtract 3 from 7, that is equal to 4. Here we have number 3, which is 1 less than 4. So we have 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. In the fourth column, perform subtraction on the fourth column. In fourth column, 1, 3. 1 is less than 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 1. So we need to borrow from the fifth column. When we will borrow, we have the number 6. So 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. So here again 0. We cannot write 0 on the left side of 3 because 0 means nothing. So we have 3, 0, 4, 2 with base 5. Students, complete solutions of the other questions, other parts of this question on the summer pack, and then send the summer pack to your teacher for checking. Students, I hope what we have done today. Our today's topic was convergence part 8. We have done subtraction of numbers with base 5. Students, I hope you understand today's lesson. If you have any questions and suggestions, please write us at mathematics@cantorpublisher.com. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we will see in our next class with new lesson. Allah Hafiz.